Hey, have you seen this wild leak from Jasper Ellens? He dropped an image of the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and if you look closely, there's a mysterious sensor boldly circled in red on one of its propeller arms. It's not every day you see something so out of place and yet so intriguing. What makes this sensor so interesting is its potential identity. Some are speculating it might be a state-of-the-art LiDAR system, and some are leaning towards it being a lightweight, energy-efficient IR sensor. Personally, I find both theories pretty exciting. On one hand, a LiDAR setup could mean laser-precise obstacle detection, even in challenging lighting, perfect for capturing crisp, detailed shots. But then again, LiDAR can be a real battery drainer, which makes the IR option sound pretty appealing, especially if DJI wants to keep that rumored 40+ minute flight time intact. What's really cool is the sensor's placement on the propeller arm. Rather than tucking it underside or the front of a drone, DJI seems to have deliberately positioned it to free up the camera for a full 90-degree tilt. That means epic vertical shots, which are all the rage on TikTok and Instagram. It's like they're trying to blend safety with a whole lot of creative freedom. This design isn't just about aesthetics or social media trends, it's a nod to the growing demand for versatile, high-quality aerial footage. By freeing up the gimbal's movement, DJI could be opening new creative possibilities for filmmakers and content creators alike. Of course, there are still plenty of questions. If it turns out to be LiDAR, then DJI might have to work around some technical challenges like potential blind spots due to the sensor's offset position, but with their advanced software, they could easily correct for a slight misalignment. Alternatively, if it's an IR system, it might just be the perfect balance between functionality and efficiency, but it serve as a complementary tool within a multi-sensor system. In any case, this leak not only fuels our curiosity, but also hints at the competitive edge DJI is aiming for. So whether it's the precision of LiDAR or the efficiency of IR, this clever design choice is setting the stage for some serious innovative ideas in drone photography and videography. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.